Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Big up on yourself, my viewers. Big up on yourself, my subscribers. Like, you guys have been here with me 100%. Today's video, let's just get right into it. Today's video is just a simple video. I know you guys might know what the video is about with the whole title and everything. So today I just put together a video for you guys with my all my drone shots that I've captured in my past videos and stuff. So I just wanted to do a drone series or sequence. I don't know how you guys want to call it. The ocean is bad. The weather isn't really nice right now. I have other videos working on, but so far they're not completed as yet. So I just wanted to make this simple video for you guys. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it. Drop your comments down below. Always remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Alright, today's Adari's, not today, but this month is Adari's birth month. So I hope you guys stay tuned to see what's going to happen with Adari's birthday and everything. And it's going to be on the 9th of this month. So within a couple more days and everything. But stay tuned, guys, and let me know exactly what you think of this video. Peace out, God bless, and one love, alright?
Find something true that I like. I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed. Time is my own escape. I know that I lost you that night. I know that you've already left me. Anger won't bother me now. There's no one to blame for your love. In the sweet despair, a broken heart's lying down. I won't hurry, dear. I'm breathing as long as you're around. Spotlight, I am hidden, reaching out for your hands. Can you feel me now? Trying to give a sign that I'm right here. 'Cause when I am without you, I am fading out. And I can see in your eyes all your secrets, but you don't seem to care about mine. Still I can't be without you, falling without you. Can you feel me now? So I've been hoping for a new melody, just to get me some kind of remedy. And I think I found it in your mind. But the way that you know me, yeah. up in your head of how you want me to be like. So I've been hoping for a new melody, just to get me some kind of remedy. And I think I found it in your mind. But the way that you know me is not right, not right. The way that you know me is not right, not right. So I've been hoping for a new melody, just to get me some kind of remedy. And I think I found it in your mind.
Another lineup, another downfall, but we stand up again. Another wrong turn, one more time heavy, one more time guilty. Show me how to cope. Show me how to forget that we did something that we can't bury. Doesn't matter if we close our eyes. We did something that I can't carry. So tonight, let's pretend that we are lighter than the wind. Oh, I need a break. Teach me how to bend. 'Cause right now I'm breaking since we did something that we can't bury. Doesn't matter if we close our eyes. We did something that I can't carry. So tonight, let's pretend that we are nowhere to be found. Let's pretend. Another lineup, another downfall, but we stand up again. We did something that we can't bury. Doesn't matter if we close our eyes. We did something that I can't carry. So tonight, let's pretend. Let's pretend. let's pretend.
Don't wanna be in love if it's not with you. Don't wanna cry.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That's everything that I have put together. Hope you like it. Drop your comments down below like I said. Thank you so much for sticking and staying and watching. And until next time guys, one love, alright?